Welcome to the spoken tutorial on Introduction to Bootstrap. In this tutorial, we will learn how to download and use Bootstrap version 4.6.0 and include Bootstrap version 4.6.0 from CDN link. This tutorial is recorded using Ubuntu Linux OS version 18.04, Bootstrap 4.6.0, HTML5, CSS3, gedit text editor, Firefox web browser, and a working internet connection. However, you may use any other editor or browser of your choice. To follow this tutorial, you should be familiar with HTML and CSS. If not, please go through the HTML and CSS tutorials on this website. Open your web browser and type the URL as shown here. Make sure you have an active internet connection. Click on the download button at the top right corner of the page. Download web page opens. At the right corner, we can see the version of Bootstrap. Click on it to expand the list and select version 4.6.x. Introduction web page opens. On the left panel, click on the download link. Let us now download the ready-to-use compiled code for Bootstrap. Go to the section Compiled CSS and JS. The latest stable version at the time of recording this tutorial is Bootstrap version 4.6.0. It may vary in future. Click on the download button. Please note, some web browsers may download automatically. Some may display a Save As dialog box. In the Save As dialog box, click on the Save File option and then on the OK button. The download may take some time depending upon your internet connection. Go to the Downloads folder where the ready-to-use compiled code file is saved. Right-click this file and select Extract to. Now choose the desired location on your machine to save this file. I will select Desktop. Then create a new folder with the help of Create Folder button. Name it as My-Bootstrap. This folder will help to organize all our Bootstrap files in a single location on our machine. Click on Select. The file is extracted now. Let us check the extracted file. Go to the Desktop folder and open the folder My-Bootstrap. The files are extracted into Bootstrap-4.6.0-dist folder. Bootstrap compiled code can be downloaded and extracted in the similar manner in Windows OS. Open this folder. Inside it, there are two folders, CSS and JS. These folders contain ready-to-use compiled and minified CSS files and JavaScript plugins. Go to the My-Bootstrap folder. I have saved another file named mypage.html in this folder. The file used in this tutorial is available in the code files link on this tutorial page. Please download and extract it. Make a copy and then use it while practicing. Let us open the file mypage.html in a web browser. So, right-click on the HTML file and select any web browser of your choice. I will choose Firefox. The HTML file opens in a Firefox web browser. This is a simple HTML web page without Bootstrap. Now let's include Bootstrap in this HTML web page and see the change. Let us open the mypage.html file in any text editor. Right-click on the HTML file and select Open with Other Application option. Then choose any text editor that is available. I will choose gedit. Inside the head section, always include the viewpoint meta tag as shown here. This helps to ensure proper rendering and touch zooming on mobile devices. Next to the viewpoint meta tag, type the code as shown. This will link the bootstrap.css file to mypage.html file. Note that the HTML file and the Bootstrap 4.6.0 dist folder should be in the same folder. Bootstrap.css is a default code file that is provided by Bootstrap. Inside the h1 tag, add the class as shown here. This class is defined in Bootstrap CSS code file and it changes the color of the text to yellow. We will learn more about this class in upcoming tutorials later on. Save the file. Switch to the browser and refresh the page. Observe the output. The text has changed to yellow color. The font is also changed to Bootstrap default font. So now we have successfully created a web page with Bootstrap. We will be using this method, that is download Bootstrap, in this course. Let us see the ready-to-use compiled code for Bootstrap file. Go to the Bootstrap 4.6.0 dist folder. Double-click on the CSS folder and then the bootstrap.css file. All the required classes are defined in this file. For example, font classes, text color classes, background color classes, etc. When we link this file in our HTML code, we get access to these inbuilt classes. Let's close the file. Now let's learn about the second way to use Bootstrap on a web page. Content Delivery Network (CDN) links are used to include Bootstrap in a web page. It delivers a cached version of Bootstrap's compiled CSS and JS to the file. It reduces the loading time. Web pages with CDN link always require internet connection. Go to the Bootstrap website once again. Scroll down and go to the JS Deliver section. Here you can see two links. These links are for cached version of Bootstrap's compiled CSS and JS. Copy these two links. Switch to the mypage.html file. First, delete this line which we have added earlier. Now paste these two links here as we are using Bootstrap from CDN link. Inside the h1 tag, update the class as textPrimary. This class changes the color of the text to blue. This class is defined in the cached version of Bootstrap CSS code file. Save this file as mypage-cdn.html in the my-bootstrap folder. Open the mypage-cdn.html file in a web browser. I will open it in Firefox. Observe the output. The color of the text is changed to blue. We have successfully created a web page with Bootstrap using CDN link. With this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Let us now summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned download and use Bootstrap version 4.6.0 and include Bootstrap version 4.6.0 from CDN link. As an assignment, open the mypage.html file and change the class to TextDanger. Save the file. Observe the output on the web browser. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The spoken tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Do you have questions in this spoken tutorial? Please visit this site. Choose the minute and second where you have the question. Explain your question briefly. The spoken tutorial project will ensure an answer. You will have to register to ask questions. The Spoken Tutorial forum is for specific questions on this tutorial. Please do not post unrelated and general questions on them. This will help reduce the clutter. With less clutter, we can use these discussions as instructional material. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by Ministry of Education, Government of India. This is Neha Solanki from Spoken Tutorial, IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.